Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video, or should I say welcome back to Street to Track Garage. So I'd just like to thank you guys for your feedback in the comment section. You guys do actually seem a lot interested in the renovations. I do have a lot of things that I do want to share with you guys as well, so that will be upcoming as well. Speaking about upcoming, I have received this part yesterday. So this will be for the winter build series. This is a rear camber arm. So as you guys already know, I do already have the front camber arms. So this gives you an idea as to the direction that I am going to go with the EG. Well, I'm actually going to call it version 3 or version 4 of the EG or winter build series. If you guys have an idea as to the direction that I am going to go, please do mention in the comment section what you guys think I do have planned. And then also, I don't know if you guys have noticed in the beginning or the intro, I did a little what I'm going to call spotted cinematics. So whenever I do see something that I really like, I might just add it to my videos as well. I have tried to actually get a hold of the owner via Instagram. I mentioned it on my story, and I asked people like who knows the owner, so I could actually maybe mention him on the video as well. That is something that I do plan on doing in future videos. It's not going to be in every video, but whenever I do encounter something or a car that I really like, I'm going to share it with you guys as well. And then what we do have planned for today is to continue with the Street to Track Garage build. I am going to attempt to hang my bumpers, my front bumper and my back bumper. I do have hangers that I actually found. They just do need to be sprayed, so I'm going to sand them down and spray them so they look a little bit better, and then we can hang those bumpers. And if we also do have enough time, we might just hang up those trophies as well. So yeah guys, that is what we do have planned for today. Hey guys, so these are the hangers that I mentioned earlier on. They're not actually hangers. I think these are actually meant for shelving or shelves. However, I'm going to use them as hangers. As you guys can see, I kind of bent this one over here. So the whole plan is maybe to just mount them on the wall, and then the bumpers can hang in here. What I also noticed is that the bumpers do have this over here and this over here, so maybe I want them to fit in those little gaps over there. They are a little bit worn out, so I might just spray them, as well as I can't seem to find the other one this size, so hopefully this does do. And then this is also a little something that will be upcoming, which will be unboxing as well as assembling for the whole renovation vibes. Hey guys, so I just managed to sand them all down. I am going to bend these now. The way I'm going to do that is maybe just put this in a pole and then bend it. Not really going to show you guys that. That will just be something off camera. Then I do need to wipe it off with tubs or thinners, and then we can have them sprayed. Also, it does seem like it is going to start raining now as well, so I want to get this sorted as soon as possible. So my dudes, I managed to sand down as well as wipe down the hooks with some thinners, and they are all ready to be sprayed. Then I also want to welcome you guys into what I am now going to call Street to Track Garage spray booth. There's many reasons why I'm actually calling it that. Is because one, it actually cuts off my car from any overspray, as well as there will no longer be any rain falling on the parts, as well as this also blocks off wind, and at the same time also provides some type of ventilation as well. So yeah, this is kind of what I will now be calling Street Track Garage spray booth. It is actually much better than spraying outside, and some of you guys might have remembered when I used to spray on the old geyser that we actually had in the yard as well. So this is a little bit of a better setup than that. So let's get spraying. Okay guys, so as you already know, what I first do is I heat up the spray can as well as give it a good shake. What I also do suggest is maybe just give it a light coat first, and then that can act as a primer, and then afterwards go over it with some heavy spray coats as well. Guys, this is what the hooks look like. Bear in mind, majority of the hooks actually won't really even be seen. I just thought I'd spray it just to give it a little bit of a cleaner look. I'm gonna let these hooks dry over here, then I'm going to continue maybe with putting the trophies against the wall. Okay guys, so what I am going to attempt to do here is maybe just cut off this little piece over here, so that this can maybe bend a little bit more backwards, just so that it looks or gives it a better look. The whole idea with this trophy is to actually hang over here, and it kind of does look cool if you're looking from it from the bottom. However, if you're standing far, you are basically then only going to see something like this. So I want to just move the toe hook a little bit further to the back by just grinding that bolt off over there. guys, so this is what the trophy looks like. As you guys can see, it's a little bit bent more this way. What I do plan on doing in future is just getting shorter bolts anyway, because I did pick up when grinding this, it damages the thread and you kind of struggle to put the nut back. So I'll just replace this one with a shorter nut, actually both of them, but I am happy with the outcome. As you guys can see, it sits a little bit more flatwards, so it will look a little bit better over here. It even has a whole floating vibe, so yeah, I'm happy with the outcome. Okay guys, so this is what the rear bumper looks like mounted against the wall. Is actually very secure, as you guys can see. I do not think I am going to fit the front bumper, because I actually do not see a proper spot, as well as those little things over there actually kind of stick out, so that might just damage the bumper as well. And as you guys know, my front bumpers are most important, and they are a little bit heavier than the rear bumpers as well. Another thing that I've picked up is that there's not really a mounting point. Like, I can't really let it hang on here or over here. This was the initial option, but I'm not quite happy with that. And then this could also be an option over here, but it hangs right over here. So yeah, I am not going to fit the front bumper against the wall, but we can just mount these trophies against this wall in the meanwhile. Okay guys, so I'm just going to use this level over here and then mount this against the wall. Maybe just use a screwdriver and then just heat it over here, and it maybe makes a little mark, and then we can basically just soft taper this trophy onto the wall. Okay guys, this is what the award looks like hung up on the wall. If you guys can see, is level as well. So just a background story on this award. This award was given to me by an event that I think Resistance hosted. They gave me the award for King of Slam, Best JDM. Just another story regarding this award. I was actually not at the event, however my car was there, so someone else actually had to accept the award for me. But yeah, I thought I would just maybe put it up on the wall just to show that I am actually grateful for getting this award for Best JDM. Guys, this is a better idea what it actually looks like with the car in its place and the cover on it. So obviously the award is over there. I do plan on adding the other awards as well. Yo my dudes, if you're watching this, just like to thank you for making it to the end of my video. And I just want to say a massive congratulations to Niyaz at Liberable, as well as his partners LA Customs, for being able to accomplish what I would say any YouTuber as well as any automotive enthusiast dream would be. They have recently opened up their own warehouse and have massive plans for it. So congratulations guys, we all do look forward to what you guys will be bringing out, what type of content you guys do have installed for us. So yeah, congratulations guys. And then also just like to ask you guys, if you have enjoyed the content that I've brought out today, please do give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.